Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. As some of you may know, I make crop tops, right? That's what I do. But I have never made bottoms of any kind. I have attempted in the past, but I never finished them. Like, they were abandoned whips. I was like, see ya, bye, never want to make you again. So I'm about to go on vacation and I thought maybe it's time. Maybe it's time we make some bottoms to go with our tops. You know? Anyway, I am not going to be designing my own bottoms because I have never made bottoms. So I am going to be using a pattern. It's called the Not Your Granny's Skirt. It's from 1/3 Crochet. You should absolutely check it out. It's a brand new pattern and I would definitely recommend it. Okay, so I'm hoping that I can finish these today. There's a grand possibility that that won't happen, but we'll see. All right, so a few things. The pattern is called skirt because it's a pattern for shorts or a skirt. I'm trying to decide which one I want to make, shorts or a skirt, because I know if I make a skirt, it will be much faster. Okay, I'm gonna make shorts and we'll see how it goes. The pattern is based on measurements, so I measured myself. I measured my waist and my hips, so we'll see how that goes. I have chosen this yarn. It is Lion Brand Ice Cream Cotton Blend, 47% cotton, 53% acrylic. The color name is orange. It looks pretty cute. It's pretty soft. So let's get started. I've been working on the waistband for a while, which is like a basic single crochet back loop only. But I've just realized that this yarn is the lesbian flag. Beautiful. I finished the waistband. It's stretchy, so that's good. Okay, low-key, don't do what I'm doing, but I will not be trying on the shorts as I go because I want to get them done quickly. And that might backfire on me. Like, if at the end of the video the shorts don't fit me, then that's my fault, okay? But I think this is fine. I measured it. It'll work. It'll work. Waistband done. Now we're gonna continue down for the rest of the shorts. Okay, so we have one row down of the granny stitch. Here's what it looks like. We're gonna continue, but so far so good. I'm watching a video about sharks. So I worked a couple more rows, in total just 4 rows, but we're doing increases. See how it's getting bigger. And I know that I said I wasn't gonna try it on, but I would really rather this fit my hips. Obviously I want it to like fit, but I also don't want it to be too big because I think that it'll look goofy. So I'm just gonna like slip it on over my I don't know. Cause I'm doing it like pretty low-waisted. So I think I don't need that many increases, but we'll see. I always assume that my hips are smaller than they actually are, which is interesting. So, also I guess this will be the moment of truth to see if the waistband I made actually fits around my waist. Oh yeah. Okay, so these are high-waisted, obviously. I was going for low-waisted pants, and they fit nice. And then that's where the increases are. So from this point, my hips get a little bit bigger. So I could maybe do like one more row of the increasing repeat, but after that, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. I am currently making good progress. At this point in the pattern, if I just kept going with the rows, it would turn into the skirt and I would be done so fast. But actually it's still early in the day. It's only 12:20. It's like just a little bit past noon, so I think we'll actually be okay doing the shorts and also finishing today, hopefully. I think I just need to do like a couple more rows until we start to split the legs. But this is what it looks like right now. I have measured and marked, and now it is time to separate this into 2 sections for your legs. So I'm gonna do that and we're gonna see how it goes. So the leg split is going. Yeah, it's going. I'm gonna let you know that I ordered myself sushi as a reward. I know I'm not done yet, but I feel in my soul that I deserve sushi right now. So I I did that, and it's gonna get here and I'm gonna eat it and it's gonna be delicious. And then I will finish my shorts. You know? So the video I was watching about sharks was why they can't keep great white sharks in aquariums, and it was just like basically like instances where aquariums tried to acquire a great white shark and they wouldn't survive, or they had like a really hard time, and they would only like be there for a couple days and then die or something. And I was like thinking, I was like, obviously I've never seen a great white shark in an aquarium. I've never seen one, period, like in person, obviously. But they were talking about like how big they are, and it's just crazy. It's just crazy how big sharks are. Like obviously I've seen different kinds of sharks in aquariums, like nurse sharks or the basics, but great white sharks are huge. They'd be like, oh, we have like a small great white and it's like 4 to 5 feet long. That's big. That's a big shark. Hello? And I just ran out of yarn, but I have another one, so do not worry. I can currently see my sushi delivery driver. It's sushi. I'll be back. That was delicious. Let's continue. Alright, so here's the progress I have made so far, and this is the back. So I think I'm gonna try it on because I would like to check the length of the shorts, because I don't want them to be super long or anything like that. So I'm gonna try them on and see what it looks like with one leg, and then yeah. Oh, this is what it looks like from the front. A little bit short in the back. I mean, my butt cheeks wouldn't be out, but it is a little short. So like maybe I'll do like 2 more rows of the granny stitch, and then maybe I'll do like an outline with single crochet or something. But so far, nice. I've started on the second leg of the pants. I think it's gonna go pretty fast. There's not that many rows actually, but finishing off the last row, I decided to do a little scallop stitch along the bottom here. If you can see, I think it looks really cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish the other side really quick. Like, see, this is the center. It's not gonna take very long to do the other leg, which is great, fantastic, lovely. So I'm gonna finish that up, and then we'll do the final try on, and then like, I don't know, maybe I'll find a little outfit or something. Something that matches other than my ramen shirt. Well, here is the final look. They're finished, they're done, they're nice. I think that they look really good. They were also like super easy to do, honestly. Here's the front of the shorts. Here's what they look like. I put on like these little black spandex that I have, and there's that. Here they are from the side. Here's the back of them. Anyway, guys, I think that they turned out really well. I don't know why it's taking me so long to make bottoms, but here we are after 10 years of crochet experience. I have finally made shorts. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel for more content, and that's all I have for you today. Do not forget to check out the pattern from 1/3 Crochet, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.